Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, and today we're doing this awesome recipe. It's a cake, it's delicious, it's spongy and amazing. Enjoy this recipe and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. In a bowl, let's crack 4 eggs and mix it with a mixer, and let's keep adding 80 grams of sugar. Let's mix it for about 3 minutes. Now let's add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and keep mixing. In a strainer, let's add 120 grams of flour, 25 grams of cacao powder, 10 grams of baking powder, and let's mix it all together. Now let's put the mixture into a baking pan with some baking paper. Take the bubbles out with a few shakes and set into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes. Let's prepare the syrup. In a pan, add 1 glass of water and 1 glass of sugar. Let's boil it and boil it for 1 minute later and let it cool down after. Let's prepare the cream. In a pan, let's add 1 liter of milk, 110 grams of flour, and 3 spoons of corn flour, 170 grams of sugar, and 1 egg. Let's mix it all together. And now let's boil the cream. Keep mixing and don't stop until you have this consistency. Now you can add 50 grams of butter and 10 grams of vanilla sugar and keep mixing. Now let's add 150 grams of cocoa or dried cocoa. And the cream is ready. When the cake is ready, let's use a knife to separate it and take out the baking paper and cut the cake in half. In a bowl, let's add some plastic paper and let's make the cake. Now I'm adding some simple syrup. And now the cream. And let's finish it up with some more cake. Cut what you don't need. And some more syrup. Let's close it and send it to the fridge for about 4 or 5 hours, or better, the night. When it's all ready, let's flip it over and plate it. In a bowl, add 150 grams of cream and 1 gelatin pack. Let's mix it all together. Keep mixing 1 tablespoon of sugar. When they're ready, let's spread them on top of the cake. The parts of the cake that was left, let's mince it and put it on top of the cake. And now it's all ready. Let's cut it and plate it and try it out. It's amazingly delicious, easy to make, and super beautiful. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give me a like and subscribe to my channel to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching.